Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and I'm going to show you how you can easily check the battery health in 2026. So at first you need to open the Galaxy Store. Here in the Galaxy Store you need to open search. Now in the search bar you need to find Samsung members application. Samsung members this is this one. Hit install button and wait a moment. It should take around 30 seconds to completely install it based on your internet connection, of course. Here click open, allow or don't allow. And now here you need to tap this wheel in the top right corner and settings. I think it was here. No, it's not here. Let me find it quickly. Support. Oh, yeah, support. Here you need to tap support, and here you've got phone diagnostics. Check if your phone's functions are working properly. Hit get started, and now you will conduct many tests. You can here tap stop diagnostics, cancel, and here tap battery status to perform the battery status like itself, without conducting the rest of them. Here, as you can see, my battery status is weak. That's how it works. Bye.